Hey guys, you're watching Circuit TV. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a boomerang plane. So let's get started. First, A4 size paper needed. Fold it in half, just like this. After that, open it up. Just take 1 inches from here about this much, and fold it just like this. After that, flip it over. Just take this line up to this line, and do the same step for the side. After that, just take this, just fold this and this, and just fold along this line, just like this. After that, flip it over. Just take this line up to this line, just like this. And repeat the same step for the side also. After that, just take this line up to this line, repeat same for the other side also. And fold it again. After that, flip it over. Just take this point and this point, match together, just like this. After that, just take this point and insert it inside here. After that, just fold it in the half, just like this, and just match this line and this point along with the front also, and try to make sure this is straight. And repeat the same step for the other side also. And that's it. The model is ready. I hope you enjoy the video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends. If you want to help my channel, then there is a link in the description below. You can help me there through Patreon. One last step, just fold a bit, curve, this is the main step, not this much, just a bit. for this side also. Now your model is ready. To fly it, you have to throw it on 45-degree angle, just like this, in the air. So that's it for today, guys. And this is not my model. This model is made by Boomerang paper plane channel, I guess. So that's it.